So this is my sweet potato harvest from 1/3 of the plot. It took me 3 days to harvest this whole plot, which is about 3 by 12, because this thing was almost hard as concrete. It's full of these, well, they're clods, mostly clay, so it was so compact it was real hard getting it all out. And there's still one stuck right under the paver there. I'm gonna dig out tomorrow. So this is all the harvest. Just from 1/3 of the plot, from this bed here. And I was very surprised that these things could lay down and grow in this hard, compacted soil with a lot of clay. But they grew pretty good. So now I have to put it in somewhere warm and moist to cure them for a couple of weeks. Hopefully they don't mold in that time. Okay, that's it.